Hello and welcome to the Community Data Program. My name is Julie and I will guide you through this presentation. This presentation is meant to provide an overview of the program. Today I will answer four main questions. What is the Community Data Program? What data sets are available through the program? What are some tools and program resources? And what have members done with the data? The rest of the topics are covered in the orientation webinar, which can be found in the webinar resources section of the website. What is the Community Data Program? The Canadian Council for Social Development, CCSD, established the Community Data Program in the mid-1990s and administers the program at a national level. It is designed to reduce the cost of data from federal sources such as Statistics Canada and some private sector sources. The Community Data Program also enhances the data analysis capacity of members and connects member organizations to a national network of data users and researchers. The Community Data Program is a unique and exclusive program in Canada that provides custom socio-economic datasets at a national level. The Community Data Program helps municipalities and community sector organizations to monitor and report on trends, such as an increase on poverty levels in neighborhoods. The program requires customized data, reduces costs of buying data, builds capacity to do more with data, and advocates for community-level data. Community members get direct access to web-based customized community data, data analysis and training to build capacity to make use of the data, and additionally, the program manages a national network with teleconferences and annual meetings so people can learn how others are using data. The membership model is consortia. A consortium is a legal group of organizations focused on the implementation of a public service goal. They are established at the community level. For example, there is one consortium for Winnipeg and one for Vancouver. Consortia are multi-stakeholder and multi-sector. The consortia from across Canada come together to acquire data and function as a community development entity. Each consortium is comprised of some combination of municipal governments, local United Way chapters, community health centers, social planning councils, school boards, immigration and youth services, libraries, economic development agencies, and a variety of other community sectors. Each data consortium has a consortium lead which connects to member organizations that have users. The Community Data Program is a national consortium of over 20 municipalities and more than 1,000 non-government organizations nationwide. What data sets are available through the program? Broadly speaking, the data sets are available at the smallest geographic scale available. This means they are always sub-provincial, lower and upper tier municipalities, and when possible, neighborhood and block areas. We obtain custom data from Statistics Canada that include both custom cross-tabulations and custom boundaries that are submitted by our members. Alongside the data, there are also tools that support analysis, reporting, and visualization of the data. The program, when possible, also provides links to open or free data that is available. From the Census and National Household Survey, we order both the standard tables and custom geographies for community profiles, which are essentially a summary of all the questions posed by the census, target group profiles, profiles for specific demographic groups such as recent immigrants or seniors, topic-based tabulations, and custom tables for the Community Poverty Project. From the tax filer data, we order standard postal geographies as well as some census geographies for all tables coming out of the T1FF. The standard tables include the family data, individual data, seniors data, financial data and charitable donations, and migration. We also order some custom tabulations, such as our tables on income inequality and working poverty. Other small area data we order include Canadian business patterns, TransUnion credit report characteristics, permanent residence data queue, and building permits. Small area tools include a postal code conversion file, as well as Envision. This is a selection of data products from Schedule B. It lists all of the products that members agree to order. The sample shows the source, name of the product, and the geographies that are available. We focus on data that's available below the CMA level for the geographies across Canada. Members can recommend additional data to be acquired. These recommendations will be considered, but we cannot commit to buying all data requested by our members. The data sets are all listed in Schedule B for each program year. The data can then be downloaded from the online catalog from our website, communitydata.ca. The catalog is in the Find Data tab on the website. Searching the catalog can be done using filters. There are 4 filters. Data group, which is similar to surveys, is broken down into categories. For instance, you can look for Census 2011 data for target profile groups. This will bring up tables for specific populations. Next, we have data provider, the source of the data, such as Statistics Canada or TransUnion. Next, we have geography, where you can select for provincial data, certain divisions, or custom geographies. Also, you can select your years within data for a particular time frame. Alternatively, instead of searching by filter, you can search for the data by theme. Here, you can click on the variable of interest, and all tables relating to that term will pop up. For example, clicking on Children and Youth will open a window displaying 67 tables relating to children and youth. The data map is an Excel file that is easy to use and can help define the variables from the data by theme search. You can glance at the data map to see what themes the data covers and what variables fall within the themes. For example, in the theme demographics, there is a variable called children and youth. By looking at the glossary, this variable is defined as children aged 0 to 17 living with parents and minors, and includes tables with terms children aged 0 to 17 and minors. What are some of the tools and program resources? We want to help our members explore ways to use data and create impactful and engaging research products. Here are some community reporting resources. Strength in Numbers is a new series of infographics, fact sheets, and reports designed to identify significant socioeconomic trends impacting Canadian communities today. The Urban Poverty Project is a series of comprehensive analytical reports, resource tools, and data profiles which take a broad look at different aspects of urban poverty in Canada. The Reports on Homelessness provides a spreadsheet containing links to reports that measure and monitor homelessness in 55 Canadian cities and communities. The Community Data Map Access Tool is an interactive map that allows you to highlight important social development themes. It's a user-friendly solution to easily find, select, and download data. This series of do-it-yourself community infographic templates designed by the Canadian Council on Social Development offers members an easy-to-use tool to report on a number of social development themes for any individual community. Each template allows the user to easily type in data and information about any community at any level of geography. Webinars are a great tool for sharing knowledge and having data discussions. The Community Data Program webinar series fall under one of the following 4 themes: program orientation, learn how to use the Community Data Program catalog and Beyond 2020 software; Community Data Program product profiles, get insight into the data products including product methodology, examples of use and limitations of use; transforming data into intelligence, make use of analytical tools, data visualization, and infographics; and Data Charrettes, expand your knowledge with live workshops led by a local consortium demonstrating the use of the Community Data Program to access data on a particular topic. Now, let's look at some examples of what members have done using the data. Remember, if you produce work using data from our catalog, to give proper credit to the program simply by stating the data was acquired through the Community Data Program. We also ask that you share your work with the network and prepare a community snapshot to be put on the website. Our first example is Winnipeg. Living in the Red explores Winnipeg's debtscape in local neighborhoods. The region of Halton created this report on community indicators, including the number of new immigrants in different regions. Toronto Public Health analyzed the health of newcomers in the country, including period of immigration, sex and age of newcomers and immigrants. The Region of Peel created community profiles for each of its wards using data on demographics, education, employment, housing, and others. The District of Nipissing Social Services and Administration Board looked at the number and type of businesses in their district. This report on children and family poverty in Toronto includes a map showing the percentage of children under age 17 living under the low-income measure. Low-income trends in York Region show the distribution of residents with low income throughout the region. The County of Simcoe curated 5 topic-based bulletins to show a snapshot of the diverse community within the county. The Parent Resource Center curated community profiles to highlight a wide variety of indicators related to the social determinants of health and child outcomes. Now you should have a basic understanding why the Community Data Program exists, and you should now have an idea of how you can use the data available through the program to support the work you are doing on socioeconomic trends. I hope you found this orientation helpful. If you would like more information on the program, for starting or joining consortium, or on how to access data, please visit communitydata.ca or email information@communitydata.ca. Thank you.